Welcome students. As you know, we are discussing third chapter of book Hornbill, and the name of the chapter is Discovering Tooth. The saga continues. And yesterday in my video I told you that how Tooth was taken out of his grave, how people assembled there. They wanted to know the mysteries of his death. As you know, he was a teenager while he died. And after that, what happens? There was a council, Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquity. And Jahi Hawaz was the Secretary General of this council. So when he first leaned over, means he wanted to see the body, first time he told it was in bad condition because Carter, an archaeologist, earlier opened that body also. So that had made it in bad condition. Okay, Carter had made it in bad condition. It is said by Jahi Hawaz, who is the Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities, when he first saw the body of Tooth. Carter, his full name is Howard Carter. He was the British archaeologist, and in 1922, he discovered Tooth's tomb. After years of fertile searching, means many years he searched for it, and at last in 1922 he discovered Tooth's tomb. Okay, and he was an archaeologist, as I have told you, British archaeologist. Its contents, though hastily researched in antiquity, were surprisingly complete. जो बेटे इसके अंदर की चीज़ें थी, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट विद किंग्स मैनी थिंग्स वर टू बी केप्ट आफ्टर देयर डेथ. सो ऑल्दो द थिंग्स which were kept with Tooth means they had been robbed, but again these things were kept there. ठीक है, लूटी तो गई थी लेकिन फिर किसी ने उनको वहीं पर रख दिया था. Everything was complete. Okay, nothing was lost. They remain the richest royal collection ever found and have become part of Pharaoh's legend. And when Tooth's body was opened, okay, Tooth's body was opened, his tomb was taken out. It was the richest royal collection. Okay, जो चीज़ें रखी गई थी वो इतनी ज़्यादा थी कि never ever before such a large number of things were kept with Pharaoh kings. Okay, एंड दीज थिंग्स बिकेम द लेजेंड. कहानी बन गई, लोग इनके बारे में कहानी सुनाने लगे. स्टनिंग आर्टिफैक्ट्स इन गोल्ड, बहुत सारे ज्वेलरीज थी गोल्ड की. देयर एटर्नल ब्रिलियंस मीन टू गारंटी रिश्योरेक्शन, और जो उनकी चमक थी, द शाइनिंग ऑफ द गोल्ड, इट वॉज शोइंग दैट द पीपल बिलीव्ड इन रिश्योरेक्शन मीन्स दोबारा से जन्म लेना. ओके, दे वर श्योर दैट द पीपल हु डाइज दे टेक बर्थ अगेन एंड इन देयर नेक्स्ट लाइफ they may need these things, and that's why they used to keep all these things with them. Caused a sensation at the time of the discovery, and it was just like a sensation. Everyone was talking about the richest royal, जो खजाना मिला था, the treasure they found with Tooth body. It was the sensation of that time and still get the most attention. Now also people are curious to know about this treasure. But Tooth was also buried with everyday things he had found in the afterlife. Okay, he was having some other, not only the treasures, he was having some daily necessary things, okay, for his afterlife, like board games. He was having board games also. A bronze razor. Razor, as you know, men use for shave their beard and mustaches. Linen undergarments and cases, means boxes of food and wine. After months of carefully recording the pharaoh's funerary treasure, Carter began investing his three nested coffins. First of all, the treasure he was having, it was recorded. Okay, it was written. What are the things which are kept with him? After doing this work, after completing his work of recording his funerary treasure, Carter started to investigate his three nested coffins. Three nested means there were three separate parts in Tuj's coffin. It was not a single single coffin, but it was a quite big coffin, and there were three separate parts. First of all, he opened the first, and he found a shroud adorned with garland of willow and olive leaves, wild celery, lotus petals, and cornflowers. The faded evidence of a burial in March or April. Shroud is called coffin, which is used to cover the dead body after death. So in first case, he found a shroud, and that shroud was adorned with garlands of willows, means murjhai hui phool mala, olive leaves, wild celery, it is a plant, okay, celery, lotus petals, and corn flowers, okay, flowers of corn. And it was the faded evidence, means it was proving, these things were proving that Tooth may be buried in March or April. Maybe Tooth was buried in March or April. When Carter finally reached the mummy, though he ran into trouble. After searching another one, okay, there were treasures also, there were necessary things also. So, but finally, when he opened Tuj's dead bodies case, okay, part, then he was into trouble. The ritual reagents had hardened, cementing Tooth to the bottom of the solid gold coffin. The coffin of Tooth was also made of solid gold, and रेजन इज बेटे गोंद जिससे किसी चीज़ को चिपकाते हैं. तो द बॉडी ऑफ टूथ वॉज सीमेंटेड मीन्स फिक्स्ड ड्यू टू दैट रेजन. इट हैड बिकम टू मच हार्ड. ओके, बहुत ज़्यादा वो जो उनके यहाँ परंपरागत गोंद लगाते हैं बॉडी को चिपकाने के लिए, it had become so hard that it had cemented Tuj's body to the bottom of his solid gold coffin. He used so many forces to take the body out of that case, but he was failed. He could not do so. Now Carter was thinking what to do. Then he thought, the sun can beat down like a hammer. This for south in Egypt, because in Egypt the sun became so much warm, hot we can say. So the heat of the sun maybe lose the resin from the body. And Carter tried to use it to loosen the resins. Okay, uh, Carter kept the coffin into the heating sun to lose the resin from the body for several hours. But he set the mummy outside in blazing sunshine. Okay, and that heated at 149 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, Carter heated that coffin to 149. You can imagine the temperature, 149 degree Fahrenheit. Nothing buzzed. Nothing happened. He reported with scientific detachment that consolidated material had to be chiseled away from beneath the limbs and trunk before it was possible to raise the king's remains. Then he used scientific method. He chiseled means बेटे छेनी से और हथौड़े से उसने उसको ठोक ठोक कर जो नीचे जो गोंद लगा था उसमें से पैर और उसका जो ट्रंक था बॉडी थी then he could raise the body from the